Powerful, simple, classic. Samsung's access unit maximizes millimeter wave 5G performance with an alluring design. Instead of the traditional baseband, radio, and antenna, the access unit has integrated all three functions into one single product, eliminating front haul resource between a baseband and radio. The integrated hardware is still light, compact, and easily deployable. The access unit supports powerful performance with modem and RFIC chipsets, both designed and manufactured in-house. Over 1,000 antenna elements enable precise, sharp beams. The access unit supports a wide 120 degrees horizontal, and the E-tilt function enables the vertical coverage to move within a 120-degree range. Within its coverage, the access unit can send signals to two devices simultaneously, while choosing devices that will show the best performance when paired together.